Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the pieces that I have created recently. As you may have seen, my kaleidocycle. I do have a beading tutorial up to help you create one. I've also begun working on 1 in 8/0 seed beads. And 1 in delica beads, using the same designs and instructions from the tutorial. I also am working on a new folding cube. As you can see, I've gotten about halfway. And in my current beading tutorial, I show off my daughter's beaded scarf and earring set, and I will also be making her an anklet to go along with it. And I was going for a pair of earrings, but it turned out to be too long, so now it is an earring for my Christmas tree. This is 3 doilies sewn together to make a doily snowman. And my last creation is a folding cube charm that for wearing. This one is made with delica beads using my folding cube technique. As you can see here, I have some accessories attached to the cube itself, and then I actually have a clasp pretending to be a bail, and you just unclasp your folding cube and then you can start folding. Here we have, this one is called Mini Faces, and then we fold it and we end up on the opposite set, and here we have many more faces. And on this side we also have a set of accessories. Now the hardest part is getting the clasp to go through both rings, but once you manage to do it, the rings to lay out the way you need them to. There's the first one and the second one, and then you have your charm on the other set of facings. And I do hope to put up a video for this one. It might not be for a while, as I am currently in some other tutorials, but I wanted to show you what I've been working on, and I hope that you enjoyed them. Happy beading!